Hey guys, this is me Ahana and welcome to my channel. So आज मैं बात करने वाली हूँ बहुत ही अच्छे टॉपिक की. उस टॉपिक का नाम है पेट्स एंड एनिमल्स. सो गाइस, अगर आपको पेट्स पसंद हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और शेयर भी कर देना, सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. मुझे तो पेट्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, बट मेरे फेवरेट पेट्स हैं डॉग, parrots and birds and rabbits, but I don't feel to keep them in the cage. I don't want birds to be kept in the cage because God have given them wings so that they can fly, and rabbits want to hop here and there, and I don't want them, and I don't want me to close them in the cage. But we can keep dogs. I love dogs. I love Lhasa Apso. And what's your thought about dogs, pets and animals? So I wish that मेरे पास भी काश one dog होता. And I feel that dogs help us a lot. They take care of us, they play with us, they eat food with us. They're best. They're best. So guys, what's your thought? So tell me in the comment box that what is your favorite pet or animal and what do you feel? Should you keep them in the cage, or should you let them fly, or should you let them hop? So I love dogs and you can also keep dogs. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.